Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by naming what you will measure and why. Be precise about dependent and independent variables. Once done, inspect raw numeric data for units, scales, and missing values so you know what cleaning will require. Make sure to register hypotheses or at least document primary outcomes before heavy analysis. This prevents analytic flexibility later. You will also create a simple analysis plan listing metrics and tests, which keeps the work reproducible and focused as you move to processing. You now execute data cleaning and transformations with intention. First, decide how to treat missing values, remove cases, impute with documented methods, or model them explicitly, because each choice affects inference. Next, standardize units and apply normalization or log transforms to correct skew. This improves model fit and interpretability. Then derive composite scores or indicators as specified in your plan, and save an analysis-ready dataset while preserving the untouched raw files. You run the plan's statistical tests or models, making sure assumptions are checked and satisfied. For example, test residuals for normality when using linear models. Report effect sizes and confidence intervals alongside p-values so readers see practical significance, and include model diagnostics. Once results are obtained, perform robustness checks, alternative specs, sensitivity to outliers, and cross-validation. Then document and version control your code and outputs. If results look unstable, the key troubleshooting tip is to revisit data preprocessing and model assumptions first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.